All right, today I'm going to be doing a frame repair on this leaf spring mount, and it is pretty rusty, so I'm going to get all this cut off and ground down, remove the fuel tank, put a fire blanket over it, and wet it down so we're 99% safe. We're going to put a patch here, and then some pieces over top and a piece on the bottom. I've got these right here to cut into the shape that I need. Got new shackles, new rear hangers, and we're gonna see if we can leave the U-bolts and the leaf springs intact and just get this removed and then jack the truck up high enough with that we can just work under it. No.
Oh, that's why you're taking off. Want a cookie?
No, I don't want a cookie. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah? I'm gonna do my best to not mess that fuel pump up.
Yeah, why?
But it is pretty rusty.
Yeah, it is pretty rusty.
Yeah. All right, I got my die grinder and I got my headlamp, so I'm gonna cut that one and that bottom one. All right, got this side apart, undid the shocks on both sides, still got my fire stuff there, and I'm gonna use the torches on this side because these bolts are way worse, and I'm just gonna torch these heads off and then push them through with the air hammer. Walker here. Let's get this stuff on the floor. Get this off of here.
So strong.
Okay. Now we should be able to just raise the truck up high enough.
Yep, raise the truck up.
Yep, raise the truck up. Raise the truck up high enough to get those shackle bolts out. All right, my microphone died, so I'm gonna talk like this, but my plan is to straighten this out, all right, so my plan is I'm gonna straighten this out and see if I can weld it so I can keep that hole located. And I'm gonna cut this off and then weld a piece over top of it so that I have something clean to weld to the truck. I ain't a welder, but I have a grinder. You feel it? Well, that's what we did. Made a big patch. And then I added that piece just to make it a little bit stronger. But it'll definitely do. Good enough for a farm truck. Alright, so that'll do for this. We're gonna put the bed back on. We put oil all over the frame and I cleaned up the exhaust the best I could. Rayce is gonna finish the filler neck. We got these ready to plug in there, and that's all there is to taking the Chevy bed off. We just unplug those and for a short bed take out 6 bolts, lift it. But yeah, it'll be good enough.